Hey guys, here's part 2 of specific gravity without the water. I'm also not sure if this one is going to work. This time I'm even less confident because there's more variation in the surface, and we're not going to be able to capture that with the tools that we're going to be using. But this is a very, very basic way to check the density of an item using just some simple tools that I'm guessing a lot of you guys have. So first we'll get the weight, we'll tear this out, and we're going to put it on here. And density is going to be equal to our mass divided by our volume. So we've got 31.13, so we'll write that here, 31.13 grams, and then that divided by our volume. And the volume of a cylinder, I just looked this up, is going to be it's pi r squared times height. Right. Okay, so we have 3.14 times whatever the radius of this thing is. So this is going to be 38.04. So that is our diameter. So we got to do 38.04 divided by 2. So 38.04 divided by 2. And then that squared times our height. And when you're doing this, you want to get right in the center so we get the least amount of variation as possible. So if you go on the rim, it's going to have a higher top and bottom of the cylinder, and we want to have it as close to the center as we can, or it'll maybe average out a little bit more if we do it in the center. So here we go. So we got a 2.64 as our height. Cool. So we'll put 2.64 over here, 2.64. And then I'm going to get that in the calculator. I'll be back in a second. So for the pi, I went ahead and used 22 divided by 7. That's actually the calculation to get you the pi when I did the math. And it came back as 10.37, which is a little low for pure silver, you can see on this chart here. But as a ballpark, it does definitely still work, but it's not going to be as good as specific gravity. Cool, and of course you always want to use multiple testing methods, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in the pocket finger here. See if you can hear that it sounds like silver. And it absolutely does. And it has the resonance that you would expect from a pure coin as well. So that's a good sign. And then we also have the magnet test. You just grab an N52 magnet. This is a double stacked one, and just let it slide down. You can see it slides super slow. And this is a silver round from Canada.